going to show you how to add a gallery onto your website. You're just going to select Manage Website, Add or Edit a Gallery Item. You'll first of all get a list of anything that's currently on the website. You can edit those using the blue plus, or you can add a new gallery up at the top here. You're just going to click into this box here and pop your title in. You can associate it to a lesson if you want to by using this drop down. And then you can relate it to a class here if you want to. If you relate it to a class, it's going to show on the relevant class page. If you leave it blank, it's just going to go for the whole school. The content box here is just to enter some text for that particular item. And then you've got the option at the bottom to tick active or to save and add images. I'm just going to click on save to show you the media center that's going to pop up. And you'll see now on the right hand side you've got several different options on the different media items that you can add onto that particular gallery item. I'm not going to go through all the different options, but I am going to first of all just show you these top two image options. First of all, you've got your header manager. This is going to put an image at the top of your gallery item. Choose your image. You can then select up to 8 images at a time. Click open. This is then going to ask me to drag and drop those images. Click save when you're happy, and then do the same again for the next image. Your other image manager works pretty much the same way. You're going to go on choose your image. It's going to take you to your shared documents, and then you can just select as many images as you like, as long as you upload them in batches of 20. Select your images, press open. You can give them a title if you want to, or just press save. Now I've got those images uploaded, I'm just going to scroll down, tick the active box to make it go live on the website, and then press save again. Now all websites are different, so you may have this in a slightly different area, but I'm just going to scroll down and show you here that the gallery item, our top one, has appeared here. I can click into that. And you can see I've got the header images that I uploaded at the top here that are just going to scroll. I've got my title, my basic text, and then I've got my little thumbnail images, which is from the image manager. I can then click into these and just scroll between them like you do on Google or Facebook. If you do choose to associate the item to your class pages, if you just go to your class page and scroll down, you'll see here that I've got my gallery that's popped up, and I can click into this as well, the same as I did earlier.